Today, I'll show you how to back up iPhone data with Google Drive. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. On iPhone, Google does not really use the Google Drive app as a full iPhone backup tool, the same way iCloud backs up the whole device. Google's official help points iPhone and iPad users to the Google One app for backing up certain data, and separate Google apps for other content like photos. Google says the Google One backup on iPhone can back up things like photos, contacts, and calendar events to your Google account, but it is not the same as a complete full-device iPhone backup. To get started, install the Google One app on your iPhone and sign in with the Google account you want to use for the backup. Then open the app, tap the menu, go to Settings, and open Sync Settings. Google says this is where you can check and allow syncing for your Apple contacts and calendar. If your iPhone asks for permission, tap Allow, so Google can access those items and upload them to your account. Now let's talk about photos and videos, because that is usually the biggest part of an iPhone backup. Google's official guidance uses the Google Photos app for backing up photos and videos from iPhone. Open Google Photos, sign into the same Google account, and turn on backup. Once that is enabled, your camera roll can begin uploading to your Google storage. Google also notes that you can check whether an item is backed up by opening it and viewing its details. If your goal is simply to store files in Google Drive, like documents, videos, or folders, you can also open the Google Drive app and upload those files manually. But that is different from backing up iPhone contacts, calendars, and photos automatically. Google's Drive helps supports file uploads, while Google One and Google Photos handle the backup style syncing for iPhone data. One more thing to remember is storage. Google says your backups and uploads count toward your Google storage, so make sure your account has enough space before starting a large backup. So, in simple terms, use Google One to sync contacts and calendars, use Google Photos to back up photos and videos, and use Google Drive for manual file uploads. That is the official Google-based way to back up iPhone data to your Google account. And that's how to back up iPhone data with Google Drive. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.